How to transfer money from a Maybank to other banks. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from a Maybank to other banks. First, launch the Maybank to you My App and log in. Then, tap on Transfer on the bottom navigation. Here, select Transfer to other accounts to make a third-party transfer. Now, select your funding account, then tap New Transfer and select your recipient's bank. Next, key in your recipient's account number and name. After that, confirm the details and proceed. Approve the transaction via Secure to You on your smartphone. To transfer via the May app, launch the May app and tap Transfer on your dashboard. In the next step, key in your password. Now, tap the Others tab to make a third-party transfer. Then select Instant under the New Transfer. Here, key in your transfer details, then tap Transfer Now. In the end, approve the transaction via Secure to You on your phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.